Now here's Pianos Inside and Out by Mario Igrec. I've used this comprehensive guide as reference material for work I've done in the piano industry since about 2013. This book has received high praise for being an in-depth, up-to-date, and explores a wide range of topics. It's a resource for piano technicians of all ages and experience levels. I can't recommend this most comprehensive book more highly. It's really a must-have for any technician of the trade. Now, there have been lots of other piano technicians who have praised this book for the work that Mario Igrec did. Franz Moore, Steve Brady, Christian Bolduc, Greg Frank, Poppy Miles, Mark Morvan, and many others. This book contains well over 1,000 pictures, diagrams, and charts of valuable information. There's a dedicated page containing a cross-sectional image of a grand piano with over 100 plus names of parts. Every once in a while, you'll see that there's a myth-busting section. This book includes many myth-busting facts presented by Mario to dispel common myths within the industry. Mario will tell you more about why piano teachers are incorrect when they insist to have a heavier action to make their students work harder. This book has over 500 pages of reference material where technicians can search for answers to many of the most common and uncommon issues that one may experience while working on a piano. Mario did a fantastic job of filling these pages without any fluff. One of my favorite parts about this textbook is that there are over 650 terms that are relevant to the trade of piano technology. You can tell that I make marks about the things that I like to learn about. The table of contents includes history, construction and design, maintenance, tuning, regulating, voicing, repairs, moving a grand piano, touch geometry, playability, rebuilding, and troubleshooting. Mario Igrec is now the chief piano technician at the Juilliard School in New York. Check out over 1,000 pictures. There's Mario himself. I mean, sometimes this book gets sold out because there's such a high demand in this small industry. Now these are some technicians' kits. If you want to talk about a piano tuning kit, look at these old school piano tuning kits. Actually, I saw that a few of my mentors growing up had kits that looked just like these. Not something that you can buy from Amazon. It's all warehouses, piano warehouses, and distributors back in those days. I hope you enjoyed my review of one of my favorite resource books for piano technology. If you have any questions, let me know.